Hi guys, Barty from S's Barbecue Lab, and how's that for stunning semi-boned Aussie leg of lamb? So let's give that a massage with a spicy marinade and spit roast it in here until it's crispy, pink and perfect. Pan on the heat, 4 whole cloves, 1 star anise, teaspoon of fennel seeds. Get them hot and fragrant, then off the heat and into a mortar. Then grind until it's fine. Place the ground spices into a blender. Then add 20 grams of parsley, 2 teaspoons dried tarragon, 2 garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of fennel pollen, 50 grams of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, lid on, and blitz. Marinade is done. Open up the lamb, add that marinade and massage in. Roll up and do the outside. Baking paper, lamb in the middle, roll up, secure the rubber band and place that on the tray in the fridge overnight. Unwrap using butcher's string, start tying it together. Continue the process all the way to the end. Slide the rotisserie rod onto one of the clip locks, lock that into place. Place the rotisserie rod into the center of the leg and guide evenly through to the end, like so. Lock in with the fork. Because we have a shank on the end with sinew, there's no need for a second clip lock to hold that in. It'll be very firm. Place the end of the rotisserie rod into the drive and drop that into the frame. Place a drip tray directly under the lamb. Turn the left burner on high and then adjust to low. Turn on the motor drive and close the hood. And brush the lamb with a little bit of honey. When the core of the lamb hits 56 degrees, remove it and let it rest. Roasting rack on, bacon tray on. Hasselback potatoes on, extra virgin olive oil, carrots on, a bit more extra virgin olive oil, a little salt, and on the potatoes, close the hood and let them roast. Have a look. They certainly look done. Delicious. Carrots are roasted, crispy on the ends. Time to serve up. Been resting for 35 minutes and we'll cut some sections out. We'll just go right into the middle and have a look at that blush pink. Yes, beautiful. It's just been resting long enough and it's almost time now to plate up. Yummo.